Hi everybody, a little live Friday afternoon surprise. Cheryl is working on one of our new projects here. She is at one of the kangaroo tables and using the Brother BQ3050 machine and doing some quilting. She's going to tell us what she's up to.
Well, let me get to an intersection here quick so you can see what I'm doing. Just going to finish this line and then explain at the next line what I'm doing here. Alright, so these machines have a nice big opening so I can keep rolling my quilt up as I'm going here. And let's see here. And if you can see, I've marked my lines in the blue. But where I get to the black, it's really hard to see that line. So here, you see this red line. This is a button on this machine. So when I turn it off, that line's going to disappear. Turn it back on. It's giving me a projected laser line out straight from my needle. So now, as I sew, let me get back to the front here. So I don't need to watch my needle. I can watch that line on my blue marking. And then as I get to where the black is, I can kind of follow that line until it hits this next blue.
It's hard to see the red line on the video, but it's clear when you're here.
My red line is now on top of my blue line, so I can watch that because I can't see where my marking line is on my black. And I just keep my eye on that red laser line that's going onto my blue mark line. That way I don't have to try to focus so tightly in on that needle that's heading into, where the quilt is heading into the needle.
And she also has her Mu-vit foot on the back here, which is another style of walking foot. This has a conveyor in it. And the conveyor rolls along kind of like the tread on a tank. It never leaves the fabric, so you get a beautiful, smooth, straight stitch line. And that big table is really nice with that pop-up extension leaf at the back side. Plenty of room for your big quilts.
I'm going to flip my quilt now so I can get the big part over here supported by the table. And I lost my lines. There you go.
There you are.
I'm going to start here. And then just continue in. I only have about 3 more lines to do on this side. But again, I got this nice big extension over here to support my quilt.
It's really nice to have that 11.5-inch throat while you're quilting. You've got plenty of room to roll things up, lots of room to get through. And we just thought we'd show you what we were up to this afternoon, and we had a few ladies walk in today that didn't realize that we have sewing furniture, and we do, as well as Brother machines.
One of the other nice things about the Mu-vit foot is I've already done my cross hatching this way. And so as I go, it's not gonna create that fold, that pucker when I cross over that seam because it eases it in constantly. So you never get that little pleat when you sew over the quilting line that you've previously done.
Gotta love that Mu-vit foot. All right. Have a great weekend, and we will see you soon.
Rewards.
Oh, and don't forget, this coming week, Tuesday through Saturday is rewards week. We're open Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 9 to 5, Wednesday, 9 to 7, Saturday, 9 to 3. So come in and use your bucks. Thanks for stopping.